This is Francis from Easel. Today we're going to be talking about the Easel Stamp Maker. Essentially what this allows us to do is to take a design that's being carved into our material and select it and then move through the Stamp Maker app to turn it into a thing that's being carved at a zero depth with a negative space behind it to create a stamp effect. And I'm just going to kind of visualize that really quickly here and then talk about one caveat. When I select Stamp Maker, the only option you'll be given before importing is the option to flip the design. In this case, I am going to flip it. And this is going to bring it in flipped. And then we can see our stamp here where this is our design is now at a zero depth. And then there's a negative space behind it to create a depth behind it that allows the stamp ink to sit on our design, but not on the space behind it. It also automatically sets it to be cut out. One thing to kind of note about this is if you have text and you select your object and go into the stamp maker, you'll want to click on that and you want to ensure that you click on it to be flipped, because when you import it, if you don't flip it, the text won't be flipped, which is necessary when you're creating a stamp for it to be visually correct. So you want to make sure that you flip it in that instance. If you don't, we can visualize that here. What'll happen is the text is going to be the wrong way around. So that's really important to know if you're doing a stamp with text. Have a wonderful day.
To learn more, head over to easel.com.